cabinets are done, installed, everything's up, all the hardware's on, the sink's cut in, faucet's in, heater's done, we have to do some plumbing still. Now I'm gonna put everything back in the cabinets, put some stuff on top of the cabinets from like old car stuff, and finally get this garage back in order so we can get back to super stuff. Here we go. You're sure all this is dead, right? It should be. Alright, we gotta fish down this one. So, the little one? You gotta grab the little one, and is there a fish tape over there? Somewhere? Here, just toss me the little one. There should be a fish tape over there somewhere.
Like this kind?
Yeah, the metal fish tape. Yeah, that's all I got. Alright, are we gonna start working, or are we just gonna
Hey Nas, it's Eric. I know we're not sponsored yet, but it would be nice if we were. I've never tried this nitro mango before, so let's do an on-camera review. Oh yeah, just got the floor dirty. Good idea in my garage. Dude. Nitro mango. It's good.
You're an idiot. So, oh god.
Hey Nas, let's be friends.
It's not gonna happen, dude.
Let's be friends, Nas.
It's not gonna happen, bro. Did you just record that by itself? Did you see me in the background? I was like this the whole time. It's a nice label.
I slid the can up.
Yeah, get my tape measure.
That's gonna be sick.
Is all this in here dead?
It should be.
Like for sure? Yeah. Because this is 220 in here.
Well, we'll find out if you get zippied. We need another coat on that thing.
Yeah. Well, how did I do it? You shaking something? You shaking like a salt shaker? What are you doing?
Yeah. Oh man, hard day. We're doing electric. Good thing we got some NAS.
You can't even see the label.
NAS.
Jesus H.
Alright, right now we are getting the thermostat wire hooked up for the garage heater. We have the pipes where they need to be, and then we're going to pull some wire so that we can get the outlets under the cabinets all hooked up and then get the lights turned back on in the garage. Nick also mounted a Mac Mini out here, so this way he'll have a computer in case we're needing to look something up while we're out here. So that's going to be nice. We're gonna have tons of outlets and nice garage heat. Also, this video is not sponsored by NAS.
Oh my god.
But it could be. We see you, NAS. We see you.
done.
Well, for now.
Yeah, for now. I gotta add some like, I don't know, wood underneath so that the bulbs aren't like blinding you in the face when you're at the workbench because they're pretty bright. Do a couple touch-ups, but besides that, it's done. It's functional again. Everything's back to where it belongs. The floor's clear.
Yeah, this is the craziest I've ever seen it.
Yeah. So that means we can start working on Sea-Doo stuff and Super stuff.
Yep.
So we're gonna start doing that.
So you did a full custom cabinet install.
Yeah, one of my best friends started doing woodworking, and he wanted to use my garage as like a guinea pig. So he built all these cabinets from scratch, custom per whatever I drew up. And they turned out awesome, which I'm sure you can tell from the video.
We'll throw in some panning shots in a second. You'll see where the sink is. That's right, we got water out here. That is all added before. That was just kind of wasted storage space. So that's all brand new custom. The tool bench here goes even longer, and then more upper cabinets. So let's throw in those nice panning shots right now. So that's pretty sweet.
Yeah, it turned out really nice. I couldn't be happier with it.
We also we fixed some of the electrical and added a bunch of outlets, and then also finished the install on the heater. So now we're nice and toasty in here in the winter.
Right. All 220s ran. The compressor has 220, that's all ran. It's upgraded to a 30 amp breaker for the welder that we bought. You gotta show them the welder.
And we also finished the install on the garage heater, so it's nice and toasty in here.
Yeah, which is really nice to work in.
Yes.
Yeah. We also did LED bulbs.
Oh yes,
we did all LED bulbs on all the fixtures in here, but we didn't really record it.
Yeah, so, I didn't think you guys wanted to see us just swapping out.
So so the garage with all the LED bulbs, not including the under cabinet lighting, now has 130,000 lumens. 130,000 lumens.
That's like a gas station.
You can perform surgery in here, dude.
Super surgery. So basically, I think we're gonna now start doing some Sea-Doo stuff and back to Super stuff. I may or may not be involved in that. My wife is literally a day from delivering. If
she's due today.
Oh yeah, due today. So if this kid decides to come, and then maybe sprinkling some stuff at my house depending on how things go. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at. So hopefully you guys like the garage updates. I know it's not quite as cool as Super stuff, but in order
to back to that, dude.
Huh?
We're getting back to that.
Well, yeah, in order to do Super stuff, we had to make this thing kind of what it is now. There was no way to functionally work before.
Yeah, it was an unorganized mess.
So,
cool.
All right, well, thanks for checking it out. We'll catch you guys on the next episode.
See ya.